Welcome, welcome, welcome. I thank each and every one of you. And so if you have not seen the previous video, please go back and take a look at that. You see where I am, but you'll see in this video as well. But I would appreciate it if you guys would go back and take a look at that. I am in the beautiful country of Togo, West Africa, and I am very happy. And those of you by now, if you've stayed until the end of the previous video, you know why I kept stressing that I was happy, all right? Or if you know anything about Togo, you'll see why. All right, so guys, I want to show you this hotel. Okay, this is where we spent the night. I've been to this country before, never stayed for an extended period of time. Came over for some business stuff. We'll discuss that another time. But here, this is the Hotel Fevrier. Okay, meaning February. All right, I don't speak French thoroughly. We'll get into all of that. And in fact, I don't speak French at all. Okay. All right. But we'll get into that later. But this hotel, guys, is really, really nice. Okay. If you come to Togo, you will enjoy your stay here. If you just want to have a night or two where you just get adjusted first and relax after a journey, depending on how your flight goes. But this is a very nice hotel. It has about 36 floors. I thought it was 32, but it looks like it's 36 floors. It has everything you need. Restaurants, just everything. Breakfast, the standards in which this hotel has been not only built, but the customer service is excellent. Excellent. From the time we arrived until the time we left, we received excellent customer service from these guys. And so you're going to like it. All right. So I'm not going to talk very much on this because a picture is worth 1,000 words. This was made in several segments because we were moving around and dinner came in and just getting adjusted. But I'm just kind of showcasing here the place. Look at those floors. Those are you will not fall and break your ankle floors. And believe you me, if you have broken anything, especially your ankle, you will appreciate those floors. But just a very nice place, clean, up to par as far as the accessories that they provide. Just excellent, guys. So check it out whenever you are in Togo. They also have 2-bedroom suites, so if it's good number of you coming, you can get up to 2 bedrooms, which is awesome. And it's just a wonderful place, and I'll be showcasing the dinner that came in. And if you have any questions, if I can answer them, I'll go ahead and put them in the comments there. But just thank you guys for tuning in and have a wonderful day. And don't forget to click the notifications button to get additional shares from me in the future. All right. Shalom.